sunset is the beautiful one in the whole life.
But not as beautiful as you, Selma.
Hey, look, a boat. Fish.
Yeah.
It's a big one. Okay.
Yeah, because on the top it has like a chandelier.
Han vet vad han har.